Hello everyone, let's make potato salad. First of all, grate the potatoes into thin sticks. You can also use the knife. Wash the potato sticks till the starch is out. Dry them with a napkin. And fry them until crispy and brown on the middle heat using any oil. Chop an onion into small cubes and marinate it with sugar and vinegar. Then peel off 3 boiled eggs. Cut them to 2 halves and get off the yolks. Add mayonnaise and spices to yolks and blend it all. Next, make 3 balls out of this mixture. And leave them aside. Then chop the egg whites, smoked chicken breast, and cucumbers. Put all ingredients into a big bowl and add onion. Add some mayonnaise and salt and mix it all together. Cover the salad with fried potatoes. Make a hole inside resembling a nest and put 3 yolks in the middle. I hope you like this recipe. Bon appetit!